Hi, Samson. I'm going to give you some feedback on this week's assessment. So, thank you for your comments about the movie and for participating. It was an interactive sharing activity, a discussion. So, so what I wanted students to do was also to respond to at least two others, and that was part of the assignment. So to keep the conversation going and to encourage conversation, next time make sure you respond to other students. So the first question was about the significance of the journey, and you wrote that is to finish Uncle Bear's last will. I think she accomplished what she intended to do. She spread his ashes along the coast and made a speech for people about what she saw. And also, not just about what she saw, but you could make that more detail. I think develop your ideas more by giving examples. So, you know, because I think one of the main themes was the protection of her traditional territory and the risk of an oil spill. You could have talked about those as well. So adding more detail. But um, I noticed that your structure here is getting better. Number two, I think these issues are important. No period there, comma, because we are not protecting the environment very well. Not we are, but we aren't protecting the environment very well. Um, okay, and so careful with run-on sentences. Run-on sentences means you have many ideas in one sentence, and sometimes you need to start a new sentence. So let's put a period there because we need to protect the environment, period. We need fresh air, comma, clean water, and to protect. Okay, so you need a verb to protect the beauty of nature. And then I think those are the ideas that you were trying to express there. Again, you could have added a little more detail or develop your ideas. Okay. Number three, I think another theme I felt was important in this movie is about family and love. And I absolutely agree with you. I think family and love were two key themes in the movie. Ella loves her family and does something to support her family. If I could take a kayak trip, I'd like to take a trip from Vancouver to Victoria. That would be amazing. Okay, I'll be giving you back your rubric in class. Thank you.